Hi, my name is Rishi Vanga. This is a care package, and basically what we do is we give hygiene kits to the homeless. And so this is in order to help them protect themselves from coronavirus, and different things we have inside of a care package is soap, hand sanitizer, baby wipes, a pair of gloves, a face mask, and I also add instructions on how to prevent coronavirus, which is probably one of the most important things in the bag. And so we're looking to hand out more care packages, but we can't do that unless we get your sponsors. So please go to www.karepackages.com and sponsor the care package. It would mean a lot, and it could help keep the community safer. Yeah, so it all started about a month ago when we were dropping off some clothes at Goodwill. And when we were back there, I saw a homeless lady. And so I went up to her, I gave her $5, and I asked her, hey, do you know what coronavirus is? And then she said, no, I don't. That's when I realized that we have a huge problem, and then I looked online and there were no solutions, so I thought I might as well do it myself. Yeah, it's been so positive. Every time I hand these out, everyone is so grateful and thankful because, one, if they wanted to buy hand sanitizer or soap, they can't go to the store because of the shortage. So every time I hand it, it's all smiles, and they're so grateful. Literally, I see them using the hand sanitizers and walking away. It just puts a smile on everyone's face. Yeah, it's amazing. I honestly did not expect to get so much support from the community, and everyone's been so nice. And, the publicity that we have and the people that are donating is really through the roof. And I'm just so ecstatic that we can help the community in this way.